Hello everyone, welcome to the module 6. Here we will talk about retargeting and remarketing. So basically there will be two videos, one video for remarketing and the difference between retargeting and remarketing, and the second video will talk about remarketing only because it's a bit technical and we will need to set up some dynamic codes. So we'll keep that different. So in this video again we'll talk about retargeting and the difference between retargeting and remarketing. Okay, so let's start with the basics. What is retargeting? So retargeting basic is like it's basically we retarget the people who are already aware with your brand and or your product. So let's say if someone visited the website, product page, home page, or they left checkout for whatever reason. So now we show them ads again with a different angle. Maybe we give them a little bit discount, free shipping, buy one get one free, or some sort of more incentive, and we try to make them buy. What is remarketing? Remarketing is like we are trying to target the people who already bought your product, but now we offer them something that they might be interested in depending on what they bought last time. So again, the difference between retargeting and remarketing is pretty simple. Retargeting is we are trying to catch the people who did not buy yet, and remarketing is like we are trying to make people buy again who already bought. So what are the some common, let's say, strategies for retargeting? So this would be like, let's say this is something we have talked already in module display ads. Like let's say if someone visited the website in the last 5 days, then we can show them like a very simple offer, like saying, hey, this limited stock, maybe you should buy right now. And they still don't buy it. Then we try to target people who visited the website in 5 to 10 days with a simple offer again. Let's say we give them 5 or 10% off, and the people who left checkout we give them even bigger incentive because they are, I would say most qualified people or the traffic who will buy, right? So we give them, let's say, free shipping or even 20% off, or buy one get two free, buy X get Y free, something like that. So that is how we basically try to structure retargeting campaigns. Now, we don't necessarily have to create new retargeting campaign like the separate one. If you are just starting out, that's fine. So what you can do is like you can simply add the retargeting audience into all the campaigns that you are running. I'll show you that in a bit. Right, again, retargeting campaigns are very crucial, they are important, but you don't need that from the start because you may not have high traffic if you are just launching the campaign. So what I would recommend is, it's okay, just add retargeting list into your current campaigns because they will bring you like very high numbers. I'll show you if I can. But that sums up retargeting strategies and some basics. So in this doc, we have to, like, Monday is the example. Monday is basically a CRM tool, monday.com. So in this example, in this doc, you will see how we are setting up like custom audience on Google Analytics, but I am not going to show you that in the video. Instead, because we already covered that part on display module, like you can create custom custom audience in 2 3 different ways. First is you create custom audience on Google Analytics, which you can see step by step in this doc. Second, you can connect, I mean, you will need to connect your Google Analytics and Google Ads anyways. So second way is like if both of them are already connected, then you can just again go to simply your Google Ads account, click on tools and settings, go to audience manager. Okay, so now we are here. You can click on this plus, and then you see this option number 5, which is Google Analytics. So you can click on here and do the same process, or you can just click on website visitors and create the custom audience right on the Google Ads account. So in the display module, we have seen the simplest way, which is website visitors, like click on this and create the custom audience. As simple as that. Now that given you have custom audience created based on module display, we don't have to waste time same on the same thing. So we'll go back to the campaigns and I'll show you where to use them. So let's say as an example, this is a campaign like a shopping campaign. So go to the audience part And here, if we see which audience we are using, so it's showing like all visitors and the people who left the cart. And what targeting settings do we want to use? So we will use something called observation. So let's say edit audience segments, campaign. We'll try to add something so you have what's the difference. So targeting and observation, what is the difference? If you select targeting, you only target the people who you select in the custom audiences. But if you select observation, you don't only target the people in your custom audience list, but you also target the people like cold traffic. So which option do you want to use when? So let's say in this example, we are trying to add the custom audience into the cold campaign. It's not like the specifically made campaign for retargeting. So which is why we are going with observation. But let's say if you create a separate campaign for retargeting, then you need to go with targeting. So hope that makes sense. Now, given that this is a cold campaign, we are just in the beginning phase and we don't want to create a new separate retargeting campaign. We'll just select observation, which is already selected. Now we click on browse and how they have interacted with your website. And we'll go to website visitors. Here you will see all the custom audience list that you have created before, so you can just select as per your convenience and then just click on somewhere save. Okay, yeah, save, and then you will see them here. This is pretty simple and straightforward. And now, what bid do you want to use? So this again, like the logic. Let's say if someone just visited the website, maybe they are not super into the product or brand yet, so you can just bid higher, like 25% like usual, than your cold. So what does this mean? This means, let's say if you're selected bid right now on the cold campaign, like the cold campaign, if you have $1 for this custom audience, Google will bid 25% more. And for the people who left cart, we will try to go a little aggressive here, because they are more into the product and brand, so it's easier. It's like very high quality traffic. And what you can do is, like, once you see, okay, this is working very good, now increase 5%. If you see, okay, this is working very good, increase 5% again. And if it doesn't work very good, then you can just decrease 5% and try to find a sweet spot where it makes the most sense for any given campaign. And now the difference here is, when you do the same thing on your brand search campaign, just do one thing differently, where you will exclude the audience which is like the past buyers. Why? I mean, this will also depend on what type of product or a brand you are running, but most likely if someone bought from you and they are searching for your brand, which is the whole reason why we have brand search campaign, they are not likely to buy. They are most likely trying to find a customer support because they want to refund, or they have some sort of question or something which is not really buying intention. So which is why you want to always exclude purchasers from your brand search campaign. You don't have to do that on the other campaigns, but I hope that makes sense. Other than that, I think this sums up like the all basic things about retargeting. And in the next video, we will talk more about remarketing, which is a lot technical, and we will need to add some codes. So see you in the next video.